Okay, I want to show you guys how to renew your mind with the Verses app. So clicking on the Verses app, and then I go into my collections. So you guys will have to make collections. And so these are different collections I can use to renew my mind. So I want to renew my mind for work so I don't procrastinate this afternoon. And then I just pick a Bible verse. And I'll just usually pick a random Bible verse. I'm going to pick the one I picked this afternoon, which was Romans 5, 3-5. And then I always click on reorder. Okay, so let's go back. I'm clicking on reorder. And the reason I click on reorder is because then you get little parts of the verses. It divides them into parts. And so let me show you how it works. If I click up, and not only this, okay, that was right. But let's say I did it, I chose some other one, okay? Let's say I chose to start with this one. It's gonna beep at me, right? It turns red. It doesn't beep. I guess it just turns red. So if you get it right, it'll kind of blink green like this. And so I say, and not only this, but we also exalt in our tribulations. So then I talked to God about that. So I was actually laying on my bed. I had just laid down to take a little nap, and I didn't feel like working. And the danger in the afternoon for me, if I'm trying to get myself to work and I don't feel like it, is that I'll go into procrastination activities, which I could waste an hour or two just scrolling around on my phone, and I don't want to do that. So I'm saying, okay, God, we exalt in our tribulations. This is a little tribulation for me, just a tiny one, but it is a tribulation. And that is that I don't feel like working, but I still have work to do. And so I need to work, and I'm choosing to work. So I'm going to choose to exult in that. I'm not going to choose to avoid it. I'm not going to choose to complain about it. I'm not going to choose to go into time wasting activities. Instead, I'm going to do what your word says. I'm going to exult in my tribulations. Okay, and I think this is the next one. Let's see if I'm right. Okay, it is. Okay, I'm going to result in my tribulations knowing that tribulation brings about perseverance. And that makes me think, okay, I need to persevere. I still have a couple hours work left and I need to persevere. So I'm going to do that. Okay, and what's going to happen if I persevere? Oh, if I persevere, I'm going to get proven character. Okay, I actually need some character. I need afternoon character to do my work. I actually want to live a life where I don't procrastinate. I want to live a life where I do my work. I'm not a workaholic, but I do my work. I enjoy my work. At the end of the day, I can say, oh, good, I got all that done. That's going to, the character I want, and persevering will give me that character. But if I avoid my work, that is not going to give me that character. And I know from experience that that'll bring me hope. Like if I develop the habit of not procrastinating, of doing my work, it gives me hope. I feel hopeless when I'm always avoiding things, when I have a million projects that aren't done. Okay, so what's our next one? Oh, and hope does not disappoint. That's true. Hope does not disappoint. It makes me feel good. Now, at this point, I actually started feeling like doing my work. So I went from a person who was laying in bed after taking a nap, not wanting to get up, not wanting to do my work, wanting to avoid my work, with just probably scrolling on my phone since I had phone on by my side. But by this point in meditating on this Bible verse, I felt like working. I jumped out of bed, and it's so funny. I jumped out of bed and I thought, oh, I'm going to try and do a screen recording because I've been wanting to try and figure out how to show you guys how to use an app, but I had no idea how to do it. So I Googled how to do it, and here I am doing it. And I was probably in bed, maybe 20 minutes ago. So it's taken me this long to figure it out. But anyway, that is how you use the app to meditate on scripture. And I think you'll be able to figure out how to make those collections. I think, let's just say, well, let's just try adding here, there, that's how you make it right there. See, you click on that little plus mark up there, write your collection name, but I think you have to find a Bible verse first. So you go back there, find a Bible verse. Actually, I don't really know how to do that. I'm going to let you guys figure that out. I'm sure you can figure that out or Google how to do it. But anyway, that is how you use the Bible to renew your mind. And I feel like this app is very, very helpful for it. It's really helped me. And it makes it easy because we do want to find some ways to renew our mind that are really easy, because if they're easy, that'll make us do it.